China. Look right here. Look, your real mother is out there. She is proud of you. Hello, baby girl. All right, and now y'all up in my dunk. Y'all up in my dunk. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I cannot tell y'all how good it feels to be back in front of my camera. Basically, my life has been kind of not hectic. Actually, it's been very routine. Anyways, y'all, so here we are today with a wig. Okay, she's already dang near on my head. This is a wig from Hey7Hair. Let me get the info. It's just been so long. Hold on. Okay, the hair came in this bag. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they're called HeySevenHair, and their website is HeySeven.com. They have a little info on here. I will leave the link to this wig unit in my description box below, per usual, as well as all the products that I'm using in this. I already went ahead and washed this wig, bleached the knots, plucked her, and flat ironed her, y'all. I did the whole shebang off camera. So y'all might be asking, what are you here for then? Olineece, like, what are you making a video for then? You already did everything we wanted to see. I'm here to basically just look cute, tell you everything that's icy, you know, really just vibe with y'all and just what's up, check in on y'all, how you doing. That's what I'm here for. So if you down with that, it's gonna be a staring contest for like the next 4 or 5 minutes. Like, that's not what I'm gonna do. That's not what I'm gonna do. Do y'all like my makeup today?
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
You would think that this was coffee. I'm running off pure Olineece crackhead energy. So what I will be doing on camera for y'all is installing her, okay? I will be installing her. Well, first, oh. Yeah, I took that hole right off. I'll put this right back on. That will forever be one of my favorites. First of all, Ebon tinted lace spray. Yes, I understand I dyed the knots, but let me show y'all the wig. This is what the wig cap looks like on the inside. Okay, you got your, do you have your comb? You have one comb. You have one comb at the bottom, as well as your adjustable lace strap down here at the bottom, and this little guy right here, and they give you a nice little bra strap thingy. Somebody needs to tell me the actual name of this. If y'all know the name of it, what's up? Just tell me the name and go. That's all I need. So yeah, they have this like bra strap thingy going on here. The knots were pretty small. The hair did not bleach to like a 613, so I'm guessing like this hair is processed. I want to say she is 18 inches. I have not cut her, but I'm gonna show y'all what I am going to do. I'm gonna give her some layers to just frame my face. This part that you see here in the middle, it was a straight line, like it was a straight pre-plucked part, so it was pre-plucked as far as parting goes. Like I said, I did go in there and part this stuff myself and did do some replucking, and obviously you can see that I did bleach the knot. Cons about this, she does have a lot of flyaways, okay y'all? She has a lot of flyaways, and I can tell she has a lot of fillers. But if you don't care about that and you like the style I'm about to do for y'all, then that's on you. I'm here to review it for you. I'm here to tell you the truth. That's what I'm here for. But yeah, she does have a lot of fillers. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but basically fillers are like gold hairs or silver hairs. We don't really know what they're exactly made of. We don't really think it's hair. We think it's we don't know. But if you wanted to fix that, you could go in and dye this wig black, even though she already is a black-ish color. Here she is. You already know I put some products in her and made her look cute for y'all like this, because I got tired of coming on this thing crusty. Like, I got tired. The lace for me, this is transparent lace, y'all, so that's why I'm gonna give her a little bit of color. Should I give her some color, or should I just go ahead and install her? Because sometimes with transparent lace, once you start spraying it down, she looks just fine. So hold on. So I'm back. Actually, I already laid the glue down. I don't know. I felt like she was big head friendly at first, but now she is giving me very much not big head friendly. Put her down from the glue line, like so, honey. Just like that. I'm just gonna take the comb, rest it in there like that, and comb the hair back per usual. This is the basics, guys. This is the basics. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Like, she was feeling real nice, and then all of a sudden she want to act up. Anyways, so I'm gonna clip her up. I'm gonna tie her down. Beauty is so much pain. So much pain, bruh. Okay guys, so this is how she looked when I installed it. I ended up doing the install off camera, but she was so cute. I just did, you know, some basic edges. I used some Got2b glued, and I just cut the lace off and put some makeup over it, so you guys know I did end up using makeup. This hair was really light, so when you do apply products, be very sparing with it, because I noticed the more products that I used, like the more oily this wig became, and it was super easy for it to become oily. I just used my flat iron and my curling iron to give it some face framing effects, you guys. It's honestly just cutting the hairs in the front of the wig at an angle and just bumping them to give it kind of like a better look. I don't know, for me it was way better. But this is how she ended up looking after running my hot comb through there and using some products and styling her. She was so cute, really clean and pristine kind of look. If that's what you guys are going for, definitely recommend this. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, as I will answer all of your questions if I can. If you haven't already, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe so you can see more videos like this, you guys. I love you guys so much, and I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day. Thanks for watching. Bye.